Alright, good morning everybody. Brian from Lock It Up here. I've got a 2015 Nissan Pathfinder. Doesn't look anything like a Pathfinder anymore. Not like the old ones anyway. Whoops. Path. There we go. Let's hide that. Okay. So we go to 13 to 18 procs push button. She has an existing key. She wants a spare. So I've got a spare, I've got her original, and we are going to connect to the immobilizer. I'm in the vehicle, I've got all the doors closed. Switch ignition off, it's already off, so we'll leave it that way. Put the hazards on. I'm sure you can hear that clicking. I'm going to turn that on. So we have awoken the beast. Program procs keys. Now, do not press the brake pedal. Make sure the doors are closed. Blah, blah. Just read everything that's on the screen. It's pretty simple. Press the lock button if a programmed RKE is available. So we have one of those, so we're going to press the lock button. Okay. The car just honked at us. All keys will be deleted. You want to continue? Yes. That's the only option we got. Okay, so that double beep you just heard, that's the beep that tells us we're in programming mode. So, press and hold the start-stop button until the ignition switch is on. Okay, it's on. Let's turn the stereo off and the air conditioner off to save battery. Alright, so the ignition's on. Press and release the start-stop button to switch it off. There we go, you heard the lock cycle. And I didn't catch it, but it actually says goodbye in the driver information center. Now, press and release the start-stop button with the logo end of the first procs. The dash should light up and the security light should blink 5 times. So we're going to start with the existing one, or the original one. So we're going to push it and let it hover. And we got 2, 3. Okay, the theft light's in the speedometer, and it went really fast. I didn't catch it enough to count, but if you look back in the video, you'll see it. Maybe, if the steering wheel wasn't blocking it. Okay, so we did the first procs. We got our beep. And we're going to hit OK. You want to program more keys? Yes, because we have an additional one. So we have the new one. I put it in the bag just to maintain. So instead of showing you pushing the button, I'm going to show the theft light. The lock cycled. Where's my theft light? Oh, I did that wrong. Press and release the button to turn it off. So we just turned it off. Now we got to use the logo end of the new procs. So see, the button's not on anymore. It's not lit up. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. So it just took this extra procs. So now, what's the machine say? I'm going to click OK. You want to program more keys? No. Press and release the start-stop button to turn the ignition off. So you hear the lock cycle again. Press and release the start-stop button using the logo end of key 1. Key 1 was the original one that they had programmed. So we're going to do that. Okay. So we got several beeps, as it says in the instructions. Press and release the start-stop button to turn it off. Lock cycled again. I'm going to click OK. Procedure complete. Now, we will go back to the vehicle screen, and we're going to go ahead and disconnect from the immobilizer. Okay, we're all disconnected, so we're going to go ahead and turn off the flashers. Unplug the Smart Pro, and we are going to test the keys. So here we go. The existing key. Okay. opening that back door because I'm in the garage. Okay, so this remote works. I'm not opening the back door this time. That's a bad idea. Be aware of that when you test the buttons. If you're in somebody's garage or you're somewhere, make sure that any of the automatic lift gates and stuff will be not an issue, not in the way. So all I got to do now is test the keys and make sure they start. I don't think we're going to have any problem. We have a clear dash. We have a normal flashing theft light. So I think we're all set. Thanks for watching.